Thank y'all so much. How y'all doing? I should tell you a little bit about this guitar. This is a Rickenbacker guitar that I purchased way back in the first week of 1969. Me and my band Creedence had a pretty good year the year before with a song called Susie Q. And so I was trying to kind of get my act together, or my acts together actually. I got this guitar, made a whole bunch of modifications. I won't bore you with my list. Most important thing was I put a humbucker pickup right there off of a Les Paul Gibson guitar. I did that because I'd heard about these guys over in England named Jimmy, Jeff, and Eric. This is the part where I always have to say, go ask your grandpa. We be talking about Jimmy Page, Jeff Beck, and Eric Clapton. Anyway, so I took this guitar, man, and I played it on everything. Played it on Green River, down on the corner, up around the back. Well, I played this guitar at Woodstock! Hey! More about that later. Anyway, the rocket ship went straight up for a couple of years. It was awesome. I can't even tell you what a white lightning ride that was. Of course, about 1972, the rocket ship kind of did a Tesla thing and and we were back on the ground again. About that time, my band broke up, my girlfriend left me, and my dog bit me to make it all complete. Around that time, this little 12-year-old boy comes up to me and he said, this is the God's truth. He said, Jan, can I have one of your guitars? And I gave him, that little boy, my most precious thing I'd ever had in my whole life. I gave him this guitar. I didn't see it again for a long, long time. That's right, it was a long time. Anyway, to cut to the chase here, a couple years ago, my beautiful wife, Julie, went out into the middle of this great land of ours. She started knocking on doors and beating on bushes, whatever, kicking tires. She found my guitar, man. She brought it home and put it under the Christmas tree. And when I opened that thing up, I began to cry. Cry like a baby. After 44 years, I got my baby back. I've been wearing that short shirt for 44 years. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Drummer. I mentioned that Woodstock deal. Yep, I was up there. All us hippies are up there doing whatever us hippies did in those days. I went back home to California. I wrote this song on this guitar.
shit for more.